Low-country hospitals are gearing up for impacts from Hurricane Florence, taking into account supplies, medication, access to clean water, and electricity. News 2's Macy McLeod visited local hospitals to see just how they are preparing.
Well, Carol and I visited all three local hospitals, MUSC, Roper St. Francis, and Trident Health, to take a closer look at their hurricane preparations. They all stressed to me that their focus is on the patient.
A lot of it's logistics. It's ensuring that we've got pre-orders on supplies and pharmaceuticals and food and water and all the essentials so that we can continue to take care of patients and their families.
MUSC may be taking on additional intensive care unit patients.
We're also preparing and providing contingencies for accepting patients from other communities in South Carolina and, for that matter, in North Carolina that might need the unique ability that MUSC Health can provide.
All three hospitals will have plenty of staff on hand to keep the hospital running. This goes beyond doctors and nurses to employees like engineers to make sure essential resources like power stay available.
All of us will be on staff, and in fact we'll also contract out to have a diesel mechanic on site in case one of the diesels goes down and we have to bring it back up immediately.
I took a tour of Roper's backup generators. These are tested weekly and can power the hospital for up to 7 days. In a hospital setting, power is life-saving.
They all have to shift within 8 seconds, and the reason for that is anybody who's on a ventilator, anybody who has who's on life support, that 8 seconds can be life or death. So there's absolutely time critical for us to be able to shift over to emergency power.
In their hurricane supply room, 2,000 gallons of drinking water and another 2,000 for sanitation. Plus air mattresses, cots, rain gear, and more to prepare for every possible scenario. Trident Health says the main focus during the storm will be on patients already in the hospital, and they have another shift of doctors prepared to handle any aftermath.
As soon as the storm clears, we begin to see our emergency department getting busier. EMS can run again. A lot of times during the storm they can't because of the winds, so that's when we see a potential influx.
And at this point, Trident Medical Center's physician practice offices are closed. Select Roper St. Francis Express Care offices remained open, and MUSC is offering free virtual care services during the storm. Just use the code MUSCFLO online. All emergency rooms and main hospital facilities at MUSC, Roper, and Trident plan to stay open through the storm. Macy McLeod, Count On 2.